Allora, si riparte, amore?
Sì.
So, amore, today's gonna be your first lesson into the magic world of coding and programming. We're gonna do it in Python because in C, which is the language which I teach, we're gonna get crazy immediately. Python is the way, okay?
Sì.
All right, what do you know about computers, amore?
Niente.
Niente.
Nothing.
Absolutely niente.
Zero. Because I'm not interested in it. I'm an English teacher.
I see, normal.
I need only Zoom, Mirror, and basta.
Basta. Okay, so today it's the big day, and we are gonna start with a very, very simple program, which is a program that is able to print in the screen hello world. It's like the classic program everyone is doing. So to do that, how do I explain that to you? Well, at the very end of the day, computers are just fancy machines that are performing calculations on numbers, which are written in binary, but you don't care. They're just numbers. And they are super able to go fast and take decisions. So computers are calculators that can take decisions very fast, period. To do that, we use functions. There are many functions. Now we're gonna search Python functions. And as you can see, you stumble upon this page.
Mhm.
E dove cazzo sono le funzioni, amore?
Amore, io non capisco un cazzo.
Eccoci,
Cosa
eccoci.
fai?
One of these functions is the print function, which is the most famous one. And as you can see, this allows us to see stuff on the screen. For example, print hello.
Mhm.
It can be in double quotes or single quotes.
The same?
The same, that's the same. This thing is called a string
Mhm.
in the coding world. A string is basically, you saw that, it's like a sentence, right? It is surrounded by double or single quotes in Python.
Okay.
Okay, let's try to do this very simple program, which is print and your string that you decide. Okay?
Mhm.
There you go.
But I need to do. Wait. It's
Marushka.
Russian. Sorry. I need to do this first.
No, this is a variable.
Only this.
Okay?
Space, no?
Nope. Do you remember the secret? Wow.
Anything.
You saw. You go, then we check. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. Now you run the thing. You just press the green thing at the very top.
This. Oh, wait. This?
Yep. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. The very first program. Every programmer start by this program. Just print hello world on the screen. It's just a standard.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, so now we're gonna do something a little fancier. We're gonna create a variable which we stock that string. It's very weird, right? A variable is a place in memory. You just give a name to the variable, just do like that. We're gonna eliminate this. Now you give a name tag to your variable, whatever you want. It can be A, B, hello, здравствуйте, quello che vuoi. Just a name.
This.
Okay.
Even this?
Привет. Okay, this is the name tag of a variable. Basically, you take a place in memory and you say, okay, now this place in memory is called привет.
Okay.
Okay, in that place in memory, you're gonna put something. In this case, we're gonna put a string, right? So you do equal sign and you put your string.
Anything.
Can be whatever. Прекрасно. And it has to be, do you remember? Marvelous. As you can see, it changes color. The text editor is prompting you, okay, I understand what you're doing. I know your stuff. I know. So this is a variable, my friend. Hey, my friend. So this is a variable. Привет. Now we want to print the actual value of the variable. What do you think? How does it work? I cry. If you do immediately correctly, I scream. I scream. I scream. I scream. I cry. Pippies. Perfetto, questo è già, hai già salvato una stringa dentro una variabile e poi hai scritto il suo contenuto.
Sono
Magico.
già specialista, amore.
sei già perfetto, sei già meglio di me. Allora, dentro Priviet adesso salviamo qualcos'altro che non è una stringa ma è un numero. Prova.
Così?
Ok, questa è ancora una stringa. Tutte le cose che hanno... ma io in italiano ti parlo. This is still a string and you have to change a little bit the things. Now it's gonna be confusing. Just try to run the code.
Cosa devo fare?
just try to run the code.
Ah.
As you can see, it works, right?
Mm-hmm.
And try to remove the double quotes.
And again?
Again. As you can see, it works the same, but it's actually different. Now you have an integer. You have a value. Before you add the string.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of different, but now we don't want to get confused about that, right?
Yeah.
In the second lesson. Ora è facile, no? Per il momento.
Sì.
Okay, facciamo il secondo esercizio.
Right.
Let's try to make this one. Now, I want you to make a little exercise in which we take input from the user. Can you believe that? To do that, we have to take one string. No, you don't believe. We have to take one string and stock inside a variable. So do the same thing you just did.
Mm-hmm.
You have your variable
This?
like that. And to take input from the user, there is a special function which is called input. Easy.
I need to type input.
Input. And then when you have a function, you already understand that you have to open and close the braces, right?
Mm-hmm.
These are the inputs of the actual function, which is called inputs herself, but now confusing. It's confusing. Okay, now you just write inside parentheses the string, the question you're giving to the user.
Can I use question mark?
Okay, try to run. Cazzo d'amore, c'ho la lavatrice dietro, si sente?
No.
Maremma cane.
Ma
Hola.
io non sento.
No? Okay.
Ok.
Yes. Vabbè.
Ok.
Okay, try to run the code. It doesn't work.
Ah.
You got your first mistake.
Yes.
A, print A. Let's see. Okay, try to run. Nope. As you can see from the mistake, you get a syntax error. You get what is your name is not correct. Opa. Now we reason.
Like this?
Try to run the code. Opa. Now, what is your name?
I need to type here.
Yeah. Jane. Okay, enter. Boom. It's writing you back Jane. Understand the gimmick? You can do whatever you want with this, right? You can say, what is your name? How old are you? You stock everything inside variables, and then you print actually. Can you do that?
Wait.
What is your name? How old are you? And you stock the values inside variables, and then you print them. You already know how to do that, I'm sure. Why the names A and B? Why don't use name and age? Maybe it's better. Okay. That's the same. That's totally fine, Amor. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
Okay, now how old are you? Perfect. That's marvelous. Okay. Now I'm B. Also C. The classic. Where are you from? I guess. Well, by the way, you immediately understood how everything works, right? It's pretty easy.
You're a good teacher.
Like that. Boom. And now the tricky part. How do you print everything? Just try to run the code like that and check what happens. Print. You call many times print.
Okay. I need to...
Well, you know, Amore, one thing that a programmer must understand is that you have to check from the documentation on Google. So Google is your friend. Maybe you can check it out. Ask ChatGPT if you want.
No, you were my teacher.
The basic workflow is just not knowing what to do and finding online the response. This is what a programmer does. So it's totally fine. You can copy this stuff and ask. Huh? What's your name, Jane? How old are you? Where are you from? Really? Okay,
No.
and then you have print A. You now understand that probably.
A.
Try to run again. Try to press enter after Russia. Jane.
Okay. Like this?
Who knows? The code runs. You don't have a mistake, but 27. Where are you from? Will it work? Yep, it works, but you can see that the output is not fairly understandable, right? You have Jane 27 in Russia. Maybe you want to say, hello, Jane, you are 27 years old and you are from Russia. I know that. Can you write that string? All right, cool. Immediately understand that variables don't need double quotes. Perfect.
Hello, Jane. What else?
Well, you can just try like that and check if everything works.
No, I want something else.
Okay, hello, Jane. Then B is the age. So I know you are 27, you can say.
Can I do like this? Or
why the question? How do you understand that you cannot? Because it makes sense. But how do you know?
because these double quotes, they are the same as
Single quotes.
single.
Perfect. Perfect. That's a super legit question indeed.
Okay.
Uh, Ouch.
Oops.
Now do the workflow, Amore. Copy this code. Copy everything. Okay. Okay, now Amore, the goal is to understand, thanks to ChatGPT, what the heck you have to do. Okay? This is the basic workflow of every programmer. So you just pass the code and you ask your question.
I need to type my question now.
Yeah. Why it doesn't work? It can be whatever. Just pretend ChatGPT is a teacher. What's wrong? Perfect. And you get the response, you see? Now you can actually copy the code here. And if you want, you can ask him to give you exactly why. What was the issue with your code?
Where is that? Here.
You can copy the code if you want to test.
No, I want to do it myself.
Okay, just you understand the problem without asking, or?
I understand I need to add plus.
Plus, perfect. Maybe now you can ask, what is that plus? How does it work? Or you...
I don't understand what it makes. I just need to type it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Well, this is just a string concatenation, as it is called. But if you ask for this specific thing, it's gonna say, hey, this is string concatenation. You can basically smash together strings, which are those things with double quotes. So,
okay.
All right. Now what do?
I need to go to that program again. Okay.
Damn. Pato? Okay, you're doing good. Pay attention to the spaces, Genia. These are just...
I need spaces here.
No, not there. Like inside the string itself. Because har and ears, you see, don't have space.
One more time.
At the very beginning of ears, you see the third string. And the end of the second string, right? Try to run. You will see white coding, don't worry.
I don't understand the problem.
No problem. Got a comma.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you're forgetting something. And you see, it's telling you, did you forget a comma? Or basically it's prompting you, here, something is missing. Don't you see? She said, you already did.
Wait.
You did something 2 times, which need to be done 3 times.
One more time?
You already did something 2 times, but you need to do that 3 times. What did you do? Boom.
I was going to do that.
Perfect.
You just stopped me.
When?
I don't know. I was oops. I was going to do it.
Really? I don't know. I'm sorry, Amore. I didn't want you. All right. Do you need a final comma? This is just a question. What do you think?
Final comma here?
In your opinion?
No.
Why?
I don't have anything else here.
Perfect.
No, I don't know.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Okay.
Well, let's make it bigger so we can see. Boom. Do you understand the problem I was telling you?
Space.
Spaces, right.
Okay. Here, and here. Okay.
Nah.
Maybe can I try?
Sure. Can I? You have to.
I don't know. I'm just trying.
Go for it. Yeah.
Again.
Damn. Welcome to the club.
Hey.
Feeling frustrated for bugs. It's typical for programmers. So welcome, Amor. Think about that. It's not... you got it.
No.
Those spaces don't add nothing to your code, right? Just before and after the plus. You just saw that.
Mm-hmm.
Where those spaces have to go? If you did something outside strings, right? Outside the double quotes.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you have to do something inside.
Maybe. Like this.
Who knows? Crazy. Crazy. Okay, and I know you are 27 years old and you are from Russia. Marvelous. You're creating your own bot. Frankly, amazing, Amore. Amazing.
Grazie, amore.
How was that? Difficult?
No.
Normal, right? All right, so now you understand how to take inputs from the user. Now I want to do something very cool, which is the thing computers do the best, which is looping, doing stuff many times, many times, looping inside. Let's do that. Okay. So I'm not telling you anything. I don't tell you anything. And now I want you to make a program that is able to print whatever you want 100 times. What do you do? The language is Python, if you want to make some research.
I know I need to go to ChatGPT.
Perfect. Make your questions.
Mm, uh, mm, mm.
And I don't tell you anything, amore. You have to разбираться сама. So how to make looping in Python. Wow.
Okay.
All right. What did you get? Oh, you can move this.
I need to use this for in range and
Or?
then type a number. How many times I want to do?
Probably.
Let me try.
Okay. You just write by yourself or you copy?
I write by myself.
All right.
I need
So
to
I
do
want you
this.
to... Okay. You can cancel everything.
Okay, I understood it.
What is that?
And then I will type this I. Let me do. I don't know how to
You
explain.
do. I just watch.
Uh,
Okay, for I in range. Okay, 7. Tinta.
Oi.
Yeah, it's totally normal, and these kind of mistakes. Totally normal. Print I. What are you trying to do here?
I want this program to type 7 times.
7 times?
Number 7.
Okay.
Oops.
Syntax error. Expected something. Maybe you can go back to ChatGPT and watch the code.
I don't see it. Help me.
But you cannot move like that. Like, you have control of my page.
I don't know how your Mac works, you know?
Ecco qua.
Okay. I understood.
That's enough? Pay attention to the details, amore.
Okay, I understand.
Boom. А можно сказать, блядь, никто не понимает. Read. The indentation error is telling you everything if you pay attention. What do you read?
Intended block after 4 statement aligned.
What is the difference with your code?
Go back. Don't you? The color.
There is something which is very subtle, and I'm surprised if you immediately see. It's very subtle. Int is not in the words, maybe in the form. The way the code is written, pay attention, is not as you wrote, right? In the shape, amore. What is different? It's very subtle.
I don't understand. One more time. Show me mine.
Here.
Попробуй. Only one?
Only one? I don't know.
Okay. I understand. Okay.
How many?
I didn't count. I just saw that it's just below.
All right.
Да.
Да.
Да?
Да. А почему non è tutti 7? Почему нет A, почему нет? Why is not all 7? You don't know.
I don't know.
What do you do in this case? Question? Because it seems like he should print all 7s, right? You say for I in range 7. But what is I?
I is 7.
Initially. Try to ask why it doesn't print always 7. Why more? You just move.
Because of this phrase.
Yep. Basically, every time I is taking the value from 0 to 6. Initially it's 7, but then you assign the value. Just use another name for the variable. Try to use J.
Where? Here. Here.
You go. That's it. Dai, amore, ti поняла.
No.
Damn. Попробуй. Damn. Is sheer luck or did you understand what you did?
I just tried the first that came to my mind.
Perfect. I love that. All right. Now you're able to do loops, right? You can do whatever you want, how many times you want. For example, you can print hello, I'm Jen from Russia 1,000,000 times with this 4. Okay.
Okay.
So hello, I am Jane from Russia. All right. Boom. Perfect. Amazing. Yeah, that's perfect. Just one question: why the braces at the string? It's correct, but why?
Because it's text.
It's
text. I understood, like, if you have letters, text, you need to do these quotes.
No, the quotes, yeah, but the braces. Just that's fine. It works the same.
I just
when you do that, it's like for functions. When you do print, boom, and you open the braces, and these are the inputs for the print. You understand, right? Inside the print, you can have strings, variables, you can have whatever you want, and these are inputs for the function, but for another day. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you remember the thing I told you that computers can take decisions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I want to print hello, I'm Jane from Russia only when a specific value is equal to 7. Namely, print hello, I'm Jane from Russia only when I is equal to 7. This is the boss level fight for you today. We go back. Here we are. You understand, right, what I'm saying?
Maybe.
Okay, only when I is equal to 7, you want to print the string.
Okay.
That's
Why?
it.
Why double sign?
You know the answer. What is one single equal? Used already many times.
Just to give the meaning values.
Assignment. That when you only one, it's for assigning stuff to variables.
Mm-hmm.
When there are two,
it's like if it equals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
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 Ready? Go.
No, one more time. Show me again.
Okay, pay attention to the keyword and the details that you before you didn't see. Details are important.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. Damn. Damn, amore.
Huh?
Damn. You did it.
I thought it...
Now print, amore, print the string and add the actual I value. So you have 7 and the string. You did before.
One more time.
Remember the plus you used before for concatenation of strings. I'm Jane and I'm 27.
Mm-hmm.
What did you do? How did you do?
Plus. I don't understand what you want me to do.
I want that you just you have printed only once.
Mm-hmm.
When the value I was equal to 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to print the actual string and the value 7. So just do a concatenation. All right. Equal Dane plus. What is equal to 7?
This.
Who knows?
Oops.
What is the problem?
Not int. I don't understand.
Right? So what's wrong?
Ok.
This is the boss fight, eh? Io non ti dico niente. A parte yes solution.
Ma voglio sempre parlare italiano con te.
Ma anch'io, come sono talmente abituato a parlare italiano con te.
Обратно.
Обратно. Uverina? We go back?
Io ho capito.
Vai. Fammi vedere. Покажи. Show me that you understood.
Doesn't work. Wait. Not like this. Like this.
Strip with double quote. All right. That's it.
Do I need to do like this?
I don't know. It works, but something weird. You understand what happened? It's basically taking everything like a string, right? Not like.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right. So what do you need to do?
Wait. ChatGPT.
Back.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, you remove the double quote. Boom. 7. Perfect. How about the space? You can write, hello, I'm Jane from Russia, and this is number 7.
Hey. Hold on. Here. No. Here. No. Okay. Ma this.
Basta programmare. Basta. Нормально, amore. GPT?
No. Yes.
Okay. Let's see what is wrong here.
But can you try?
You see, it's very different from the one you prompted you, right?
The same, no?
Topo alto, amore. See what you did?
Stop. Go back. Okay. Maybe. Go back.
So you put the string inside a function input. Opa.
Hey.
Opa. Maybe you understood perfectly. And this is number.
Wait.
Damn.
Нет. Wait.
Come нет. A space. Must be perfect. Nanda.
Nah.
Yeah. But Я в шоке. Я в шоке, блядь. Okay.
Grazie, amore.
Beautiful. Now you understand how to code perfectly,
Mm,
right? Do you like? Do you enjoy this stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like? You want to become really a programmer? I can do that. No?
No.
Not really. Not really.
Now I understand what you do.
Simple, right? That's it. Loops, condition, variables. That's it. Functions, maybe.
You need to ask me tomorrow if I remember anything.
You will forget everything today, don't you?
I don't know. Ask
All right,
me
you have been very good, by the way. Really.
tomorrow.
This is the first paragraph.
I liked
Alright.
the way you thought. You didn't explain anything. You just give me time to think.
Is it correct, given you are a teacher?
Yeah.
Perfect. Love you, amore. All right, maybe we do a follow-up. Who knows?
Yep.
That's all right. That's it, amore.
Зайдет кому-нибудь?
So.
Ну, вediamo.